Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mentor. In this video I'm going to share with you new project which I got on Fiverr.com. The work are basically very simple. The client provided me one file and there was some individual name and also their company name. So he said that you have to find this person email address. So let me show you how I did this work. So guys, here you can see this was the project, and I earned $7 by doing this simple work, and we have 29 leads. So now we have to find this person email address. So that's very simple guys. So first you have to copy this company name. So I just copy the company name. Okay, and now I have to search it here on Google. After searching on Google guys, now you can see we have found the company here. So now we have just to click on their website. Okay, after clicking on the website, now we have to click on here and about us, and now we have to click on our team because we are now looking for the person. So I hope we will get the person here. So let's click on our team. After clicking in our team, now we will be able to find the person here. Now you can see we have a lot of individual here. So now we have to see the person, which person we are looking for. So guys, you can see here this is the person which we are looking for. Okay, so now let's see. So here is the person guys, you can see this is the person which we are looking for, and this person name and here this person name are same. You can see guys, the person name, this person name are same. So now we have to copy this person email from here. So I just copy the email from here, and now I will be able to paste it here. So guys, that's very simple work. We have completed our one entry. Now we have to do another entry. So to do that, we have to copy this company name from here and also the person name from here. So guys, it depends on you which kind of way you want to do the project. There are many ways which you can do. So you can also do that project on that way. You have to copy the person name and the company name. Okay, after copying that, now you have to paste it here on Google. After pasting on Google guys, you can see we have found the person here. So just click on that. After clicking on that person profile, now we have to find this person email address. So very simple guys, you can do this kind of work on Fiverr and Upwork, and that's very simple. So let's wait and the person profile will be open. So guys, this is the person which we are looking for, you can see, and we have to also check this person. We have to also verify the company, the person company name. So let's see the company. So guys, you can see here is the company name. You can see the company name is matching with us, and also the person name is matching with us. So it means this is the correct profile. Okay, so guys, now you can see we have the tool Canva. That's a free tool which provides 100 lead for one Gmail account, so you can use that. So you can see we have found the email address here with this help of this tool. So I just copy this email address, and now I will paste it here. Okay, so I just pasted here. Now let me do another entry. So just guys, you have to copy this company name and the individual name. Okay, so just copy this name. After that, you have to come here and paste it on Google. After pasting on Google, now you can see this is the person which we're looking for. So you have just to click on this person website. You can also click on here. So let's just click on here. Okay, after clicking on that, now we have to wait so that the file has been opened. So guys, now you can see we have found the person. Here is the person, you can see, and this is the name, email address of this person. So this is the name, and here is the email address. So just copy this email address. After copying the email address, now we have to paste it here. So guys, that's very simple work. I will provide you this link in the description. If you want to do practice on that, you can do. If you want to do this kind of work, if you want to learn more about, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded many videos related to that. Basically, I'm a virtual assistant. I provide lead generation, web research, and data entry service on Fiverr and Upwork.com. So if you also want to do this kind of project, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you can learn from my experience, and I will share with you more projects related to that. So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching my video. See you later.